Yesterday the gold has created a pretty strong bearish candle, and we can see that the price has gone all the way from 2713.65 down to 2618.75, and it is in a one straight move. We can see that yesterday candle, it was a pretty strong bearish momentum that triggered somehow the move downwards. So yesterday it was very hard to make a prediction when the price will make a bearish breakout, because it was a pretty strong and pretty fast movement. But anyway, yesterday I have managed to also inform to the traders that there is a bearish breakout below 2636.83 with the target to 625.55. This was this candle, and then the price is bouncing back up. From there the price has gone all the way back down. We can see it all the way to 2606.19, which is very close to the confluence of support here, where we have a trend line acting as a support. Now, if we take a look here on the daily time frame, the price has stopped just at the confluence of support. We can see that, and the price has gone all the way back down. We can see even further down below this area of demand zone, a support level, and then reach this support trend line, which is preventing the price from falling down. Now the price has bouncing from this area, from this support and a confluence of support, and currently it is trying to move higher, targeting higher price levels. Now, where to go? As you can see, I already have opened a bullish buy order, because I'm expecting the price will continue to rise in value, because also I have here on the 1 hour time frame a bullish breakout above this small resistance, which has been confirmed here with this candle, and currently I'm expecting that the price will reach this area of supply zone, a resistance level around 2636.83. Now this is my target. I am waiting for the price to reach this price level, and this is something I have shared with the traders inside the community with a premium service. If you would like also to join, feel free to check the link below. Now, after the price reaches this area of supply zone, of this resistance, what is expected during the day? Now we can see that currently the price is bouncing from this area of demand zone as support level, where the next level as a resistance will be around area, this one here, very close to the starting of the supply zone, around 2653.45. But before that we reach, the price needs to make a breakout above a smaller resistance on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame I have shown you, before reaching that level. So I will go step by step during the day and watch how the price behaves. But if the price changes the sentiment, we need also to watch if the price changes the direction and makes a bearish breakout, continues to fall down, where the first level that needs to be broken, and that is the hardest one, will be area, this one here, which is the confluence of support below 2618.75. So for now I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, and up to which level it depends on the lower time frames, watching the price, how the price behaves. Now have in mind also, whenever this strong move has happened on the market, there is potential retrace, but there is also potential that the price continues in that direction. We'll see how the price behaves during this day, but currently I am expecting that the price will try to rise in value slightly up to here, for example, where is the first take profit I have put, and also a smaller level after that. It is around 2639.19, and then we'll see will the price manage to make a bullish breakout, reaching again area of supply zone here around 2653.45. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.